Hello everyone, back in California, in my favorite trail in Santa Clarita, Placerita Canyon. Let's do this. Coming up to the spooky tree, Halloween tree. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Getting some fall colors. It's nice to see. Made it to the water, guys. First sign of water we see here. Let's keep on going. Looks like there's a bit more water here. Mile 0.75. Got a bit more to go. Nice pool over here. About 1.5 feet. Amazing. I haven't been here in months because I was in Baja. But seems like this never dried up. Unbelievable. Up to the gas, natural gas that comes out of the ground. Stinks already. Look. Coming up to 1.5 miles.
Hi.
Hi.
Mira, se pone bien abusada. Ay, ay, viene, tiene hambre.
No.
Ay, cosa linda. ¿Tienes hambre, cosa linda?
Wow, o quiere agua.
No tenemos nada. No tenemos nada.
What do you want? Looking for food. Oh. Okay, let's go hit the waterfall trail. Up we go. We're almost there. We're doing the waterfall trail. Funnily enough, at the trailhead, there's this girl and he's like, "You're from Argentina, right?" I could hear you from a mile away. We apparently talk very loud and with a very distinct accent, of course. So, as you can see, we are everywhere. End of the trail. Made it to the waterfall. Not much to see, it's just a trickle. Nice anyways. Alright guys, we're gonna head back to the car, probably gonna be the end of the video, so like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye guys.